Hi everyone. Welcome to Vivid Kids English. What kind of breakfast do you like? Today, let's make my favorite breakfast, an omelet and a sandwich. Step by step and learn simple English together. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's make an omelet. Let's cook it together. First, we need eggs.
First, we need eggs.
Take 2 eggs.
Take 2 eggs.
Break the eggs into a bowl.
Break the eggs into a bowl.
Use a fork to beat the eggs.
Use a fork to beat the eggs.
Add a pinch of salt.
Add a pinch of salt.
Add a little pepper.
Add a little pepper.
Stir the eggs well.
Stir the eggs well.
Heat the pan on the stove.
Heat the pan on the stove.
Put a little oil in the pan.
Put a little oil in the pan.
Wait until the pan is hot.
Wait until the pan is hot.
Pour the eggs in the pan.
Pour the eggs into the pan.
Let the eggs cook for a while.
Let the eggs cook for a while.
The eggs are cooking now.
The eggs are cooking now.
When the eggs are not runny, it's ready.
When the eggs are not runny, it's ready.
Use a spatula to flip the omelet.
Use a spatula to flip the omelet.
Cook for a few more seconds.
Cook for a few more seconds.
The omelet is cooked now.
The omelet is cooked now.
Turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove.
Use a plate to take the omelet out.
Use a plate to take the omelet out.
Enjoy your delicious omelet.
Enjoy your delicious omelet.
Great job on the omelet. Now, let's make a sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread.
Take 2 slices of bread.
Put the bread on a plate.
Put the bread on a plate.
Open the butter.
Open the butter.
Spread butter on 1 slice of bread.
Spread butter on 1 slice of bread.
Take some cheese.
Take some cheese.
Place the cheese on the bread.
Place the cheese on the bread.
Take some ham.
Take some ham.
Put the ham on top of the cheese.
Put the ham on top of the cheese.
Add a few slices of tomato.
Add a few slices of tomato.
Put some cucumber on it.
Put some cucumber on it.
Add some lettuce.
Add some lettuce.
Take the second slice of bread.
Take the second slice of bread.
Place the second slice of bread on top.
Place the second slice of bread on top.
Press the sandwich down.
Press the sandwich down.
Use a knife to cut the sandwich.
Use a knife to cut the sandwich.
Cut the sandwich in half.
Cut the sandwich in half.
The sandwich is ready.
The sandwich is ready.
Put the sandwich on a plate.
Put the sandwich on a plate.
Enjoy your sandwich.
Enjoy your sandwich.
It's a delicious sandwich.
It's a delicious sandwich.
Good job, everyone. Today we made an omelet and a sandwich together. Tell me your favorite breakfast. Can you share the steps, step by step, in the comments below? Let's practice English together. Now, it's your turn. Read the steps aloud to practice your English speaking. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Let's go! Great job, everyone! You just practiced reading the recipe step by step. Keep practicing, and you'll get better at speaking English every day. What's your favorite recipe? Can you share the steps in the comments below? Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Vivid Kids English. Keep up the great work, and bye for now.